Hey guys, today we are going to be playing Roblox Noob Train. So today, what we are going to do, it's so fun, to have all you YouTubers watching my video. Hi. So, we are going to put 100 noobs for the Noob anniversary. There. Okay. That's the Noob anniversary. Everyone clap and cheer. For the 100 Noob anniversary. Do 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 do. Yep, that's the Noob anniversary, everyone. Kids and parents watching out there. Like YouTube. Like my videos, forget to subscribe, and if you forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell if you're watching. You know. Bye guys, wait for part 2 for the Noob anniversary. Bye.